might as well just visit the right, go through the right side of the palace slash temple first, and then we can go to the other side. This is the temple, and we see the two-ton of Chinese dragon spiring on the post, and the dragon is, it means wellness in the Asian culture instead of evilness in the Western. Okay. Here's the statue of the goddess Nuwa, which is part of the Tao theory or Tao legend. One thing is funny that the lion here is supposed to be really serious, but it actually turned out to be a cartoon look. Looks more like a comic lion instead of straight look. It's said that Nuwa is one of the Kuan Yin in the Tao legends, which has one of the highest status in the Tao system. Okay. Let's see what's out there. Kitty. Hello? Okay. Now I see buildings surrounding on the left, also the right. There's a big arrow, says left hand side and 6 to 20 o'clock, I assume. So yeah, might as well just go to the left side. And this is more like the residence of the temple area, and the gate is still open, but probably not a good idea to go into it without permission. But you need the permission, I don't know, but better to figure it out before I actually, yeah, did it. This is the Wat Chana Songkhram Ratchaworamahawihan, which means it is one of the grand 18th century palace. And it says no entry. But I see people coming out, so what do I do? And there's a blue sign here, says 20 something. It looks more like a tower or building of the bell and the drums. Let me back up a little bit. Yeah. Female driver driving a tuk-tuk, and oh, public school. Welcome back to Wat Chana Songkhram School. Wow. So basically, there's a school in the Buddhist temple. Not sure if I'm allowed to get in. Okay. Now we are back to the temple. So left hand side is the residence, and the right hand side is the actual temple. Hey. Okay. Morning. Believe it or not, this little pond or little pool is taped with the pure gold flakes or gold foil. Those are real gold, even though it's not a lot, but look at the area and the size of the little pond. Just imagine how much gold you can get out of it if anybody actually does it. From what I was told, these statues and the decorations of the decoration of the building, they are covered or gold filled with real gold. That's what I was told. Yeah. And look at the elephant statue. I would say everything here, at least I think most things here, they are the authentic, real antiques for with centuries of hundreds of years old or even thousands. Also, in Thailand, they are using something called the Buddhism calendar, which is like 2500 something years this year. That means it's calculated from the birth of Buddha, I assume. I got to do some more study. Good morning. Yep. Another Buddha statue. Yeah, all covered with pure gold foil, or you can call it gold field. And look at this ancient tree. If you want to call it pot plant. See all the rules. The tree? I'll go around to this side. For sure. Thanks. Yeah. It looks like from this view. Sure. Yeah, the tree is old, eh? It's more like the Buddhist tree. And comes with something called the Buddhist seeds. Which they make it into those bracelets, and okay. Yeah, just look at those lions. They look more serious instead of cartoon like. Not sure if we are allowed to film over the window. It says something out there, so better not to do it, since when I last visit Tibet, I was told like not allowed to do filming within the area of any temple, so you can do whatever you want outside, but not supposed to do it inside, not even photos. I don't know the requirements here in Thailand, but better not to do it. And so here says the Prince Maharaj Singh Hanat King Rama I. That's the statue of Rama I. If I was right, I believe Rama I is actually a Chinese guy with a last name Chen. And that was when yeah, when I read some documentary and watched some documentary and read some books talking about that. I can verify once I come back to where I stay. Okay, that's almost it.